Now that we have objects in our scene, we can actually begin to maneuver around the Unity environment. The first thing that I'd like to focus on is the fly-through of the scene view. If you move your mouse to the scene view and hold down the right mouse button, you can pan around and look around like this, go in a full 360, and as your mouse moves around, you can look around. The value of this is that I can actually use this to fly in my scene using the WSAD keys. If you're moving too slow or too fast, you can actually use the scroll wheel to modify your speed. You can see here it's going to be super fast, and if I slow it down, then it takes me some time. Maneuvering around your scene needs to become second nature for you to be good with Unity. So get in the habit of using your WSAD keys to fly through the scene. Have some practice with it. There is another thing that I want to talk about, which is your perspective and isographic tool in the corner of your scene view. You'll see here that we have these three axes that shows our Y, our Z, and our X. If you actually click that button below it that says perspective, this will put us in an orthographic mode, and if I right click, I can kind of pan around it. I can also go back into a perspective mode so that I can zoom in and zoom around. I can also orient and rotate my scene view by clicking these toggles. So for example, I can get it aligned with how the camera in our game view is looking at the scene by having our X on the right and our Y on the up axis here. Alternatively, if I want to look at something at any given time, I can just rotate around the scene just like this, and it will give me that perspective. But ultimately, what's most helpful is using the WSAD keys to fly around your scene. In the next video, we're going to talk about the toolbar and some of the options that are accessible to us.